Let's dance our way straight into the champagne curry young chicken. So first, we're going to put on our gloves because we do not want any cross contamination. Pow! And then I'm going to grab the sharpest knife in the drawer and I'm going to slice him straight down the middle into 2 pieces. Look how young, juicy this young chicken looks. So to properly clean your meat, you want to use some lukewarm water, apple cider vinegar, and some sea salt. And you want to wash this young chicken really nice. You want to get any fat off, any debris, anything. Just wash him really good because you want him really clean before you put him in the fryer. I got my peanut oil on high, my organic garlic cloves because I love garlic, and a cup of red and white onions. You're gonna saute that, and this smells so good already. The garlic and the onions just gives it a really nice smell and flavor. So I have a mixture of a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and my Cajun spice. And we're gonna use this as a rub, and we're gonna massage it deeply into the skin. We want to massage this deep into the skin of the chicken. Now that it is nicely massaged, as you can see, we're going to add the chicken to our frying pan. And we want to cook on 5 to 6 minutes on each side until it's golden brown. You want a golden brown crispy layer. See how golden crispy that looks? Give it a nice swirl. We want all that garlic and onion flavor to get. Let's take a champagne break. I need a champagne break. I got something to toast for. So now that we've taken our champagne break, we're gonna turn this over and let it cook another 5 minutes. And I like it crispy because I love that crunch. So we're gonna cook it for another 5 minutes on the other side. You want both sides to cook evenly. Look how golden crispy that is. It smells so delicious. So now that it's cooked, you want to cook this young chicken about 80%. You don't want it all the way done because we're going to cook it, the rest of it, in the oven. We want it to simmer. So I got me some more red onions. And I'm going to chop me up a couple more garlic cloves because this is going to go into the sauce. And I love natural vegetables. So we're going to put our onions and our garlic, and we're just going to slightly saute. About 3 to 4. I got my mild curry sauce, and this curry is a really good way of making curry the cheap way. And you just break that up And we're just gonna let it heat up and let that simmer just a tad bit. Using your wire whisk, you do not want it to burn, so you want to constantly whisk until it's evenly distributed. Since it's Caribbean, I'm going to add a couple fresh pineapples. And we're just going to let that simmer and soften up. Now I'm going to add my cayenne pepper because I love spice, and a little bit more Jamaican and garlic. And we can't forget the champagne. It wouldn't be called champagne chicken if it didn't have champagne. So we're gonna, that was about a cup of champagne, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Now this all mixed together, we're gonna add our young fried chicken. And like I said, it was cooked about 80%, so we still got 10–20%. We're gonna let that simmer and cook the rest through. So we're gonna bring it to a boil. And in the meantime, we have to clean these dishes and keep the kitchen clean. And I'm dancing while I'm at it.
What's happening?
Yes, because I'm feeling myself.
Hey.
I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. So I got some garlic mashed potatoes that I made off screen because everybody should know how to make mashed potatoes. And I'm going to add my young champagne chicken that is so juicy and so tender. And we can't forget to put a little bit of sauce on top with some pineapples, because that sauce is, that's what the champagne's in. The sauce is everything. And you guys didn't see this. This was off camera too, but I put some asparagus in my deep fryer. And there you have it, champagne chicken by yours truly, the sexy chef. Yay, stay tuned. Follow me for more recipes.
And many more. Head online or to your nearest Victoria's Secret